How to create or open Gemini wallet account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create or open Gemini wallet application. So first thing, you have to go and install it. So go to your Play Store and on the search box you need to type in Gemini wallet. When you locate the following application, click the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. As the application is installed, click the open button. Now you can start creating your account. So as per the account creation, you just have to go and press on get started button. Now press on create your account and click the continue button. Now you have to go ahead and select the country of your resident. You can use the search bar tool in order to locate the country and then click the next button. Type in the legal name as well as the last name, and if you have a middle name, do that as well, and click the next button. Now type in the email address that you wish to register for the Gemini account that you're creating your account. So you have to go ahead and create a password as well, and as per the password you just have to make sure that you have 8 characters and a symbol, number, or uppercase and lowercase. So go ahead and make that or create a password, and when you're done with that, click the continue button and click on create pin. So go ahead and create a pin as well and click the continue button. Once again, go ahead and confirm it by typing it twice that you've successfully created your account. Once again, you need to go ahead and log in into your account. So for that, type in the password and then the email address, and when done entering the information, click the done button and you'll be logged into your account, indicating you've successfully created your Gemini wallet account. So that is how you can create a Gemini wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.